point is water of crystallization. What is the meaning of water of crystallization? Some chemical possess water molecule along with them. So how come we know that the given chemical contains some amount of water or not? So with the help of one activity, I will explain this water of crystallization. What is the meaning of water of crystallization? In two test tubes, these are the two test tubes. In one test tube, I am putting some crystals of blue vitriol. In another test tube also, blue vitriol crystals are there. Then in this first test tube, adding some water, means solution is prepared. And this test tube is put on the stand and heat with the help of burner. Now when we are adding water to the first test tube, a blue color solution is made. Because this is already name is blue vitriol, means the crystals are blue in color. So that is why the solution is blue in color. But whenever we are heating the same crystals in the second test tube, after heating, the blue color vitriol becomes white in color. Means blue color is vanished and white color powder remains in the test tube, giving out some fumes. We can observe fumes are coming out from the test tube. And if we check these fumes with the help of litmus paper, both the litmus paper, red and blue color, there is no change in their color. Means the fumes which is coming out, that is a neutral substance. So we can observe that the neutral substance is nothing but the water vapors are coming out when blue vitriol is heated. So after heating, blue vitriol loses water molecule and becomes white powder form. It loses the water molecule, and white powder form which is left behind, that is non-crystalline. Blue vitriol is crystalline substance before heating. After heating, it converts into white color amorphous powder, that is non-crystalline form, leaving some water molecule. So from this activity, we come to know that whenever a chemical after heating loses the water molecule, then the process is known as water of crystallization, and the chemical is showing the property of water of crystallization. So whenever after cooling the second test tube where white color powder is left behind, if we are adding again some amount of water to this second test tube where the powder form, white color powder form is there, again that white color becomes again blue in color. Means whenever water molecules are again coming in white color powder form, adding water molecule, again it is converted into its crystalline form. Means blue color is again appear. After heating it disappear, but when we are adding water, then again blue color appear. So this shows that it contains the water of crystallization. Book below on page number 69, blue table and the red table is there where they show some of the crystalline substances along with the particular water molecule. When the crystals are formed, they are having binding together a proper proportion of water of crystallization. Means that much amount of water is only present in the chemical, so that chemical is a crystalline form, that is, they contains a water of crystallization. Again, one more activity is given, alum. All of you are aware or you know the alum. Alum is used for purification of water. So when we are heating the alum, before heating, the alum is in the natural form, that is whatever it is we are making from bringing from the market. But when the same alum is heated, after heating, the mass swollen, it is becoming a fluffy one. This shows also that alum also contains some amount of water. So that is why color is not changed. but the mass is changed. So sometimes maybe there is a change in the color, or sometimes the other properties also it shows. So in this way, water of crystallization some chemicals contains, and that water of crystallizations are present in the chemical. They are in the proper right proportion, and they are shown by that much amount of water along with that. For example, some examples are given. Crystalline blue vitriol, CuSO4, blue vitriol, that is copper sulfate. Formula is copper sulfate, or the name is blue vitriol. Chemical name is blue vitriol or copper sulfate. Copper sulfate contains 7 molecules of water along with it. So whenever along with the formula some water molecules are shown, then you come to know that this is a water of crystallization, means the substance is crystalline form. It contains the amount of water along with that.